I'm going to transfer the same division to FC. So what I have here, I will also do it to the other end of the rectangle. So we move on to dividing the line. So we have here df to be equals to 45. So I can just go on using my line division method to divide this place into 4 equal parts. So the first thing is to draw a line at its angle, and then divide it, use any convenient point. So I'm just going to use 1 centimeter to divide into 4 equal parts. Then it's coming to F. So this is my 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. It's coming to F, point F. Then I draw parallel lines to it. So by doing this, I have divided DF into 4 equal parts. So I'm just going to divide AD also into the same proportion. So that's 4. And we're given us, that's been given that AF AD equals 80. So I may not need to do a line division. I could just use 2 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I could just use 2 centimeter to indicate my point. So this point, a point here, another one here, another one here, and then my last. So I have my points divided 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just going to numbering them 1, 2, 3, this point Z. So let's leave it as that. And then here we have the 1, 2, 2, 3. So I'm just going to offset the same distance I have here to this other end. I can use my compass to transfer the length. So I can just use my compass to transfer the length. And on this end too, you can see that. So with this, I've already transferred my length on this end to this other end. So they're here as this too. It's numbered. So we have 3, 2, 1 C, and then I can also transfer this length to this end. You can use the set square to do that. So if you don't have your rule, so but 1, this is it. Slide it to 2. This is it. So I've also transferred this length here. So we have 1, 2, 3. So what is expected to be our next step is to draw vertical lines from 1, from 2, from 3, all downward, imitating this line EE, line FE. So I will just place my set square in this way, and because they have to be parallel to line EF, slide it to 1, glide my set square to 1, and I have my line. And see that, so I'm just going to glide it to point 2. I'm gliding it to 3. So I have just drawn all the lines needed. Now the next step for us to take is to join lines from E, that's our midpoint here, to any of these numbers. And this is how we go about it. So we have E has gone to D already, so that's gone. We need to take line E to 3, point E to 3. Now indicate the point where this line intersects with line 3, the vertical line 3, which is this point here. So I've just indicated it. Now I'm going way to 2. You draw the line, project lines from E to 2, and then where it intersects with vertical line 2, indicate the point, and then it's going all the way to 1. Where it intersects with vertical line 1, indicate the point. So it's not going to line D because it does not have any like line A and line A. So we have line D and A already on this point. So we'll move on to the other side and repeat the same thing. So E to 3, where it intersects with 3 at this point, to 2, now after doing this we have our point. So what we need to do to get our parabola is just to trace this point by using your French curve or your broom if you have one close to you, your broomstick, and then if you have this one I'm using now, that's my hand, you can as well just trace it like this using your pencil, and then ensure it is coming to this point because this is the span. It's coming from here to this end, so you can then outline. So this is our parabola. Pardon my curve, it's not looking too neat because of the pen I'm using, so you cannot see it clearly. So this is how you go about the construction of parabola using the rectangular method. I hope this helps to make you understand how to go about it. So you can see the span and the height. So the highest point of the parabola, that's the vertex, having it there. So for a rectangular construction method, you don't need the directrix and the rest. All you need is the span and the height. Thank you.